Hey folks, same position here. Still same, everything is still on. I'm still right there on that screw here, or clamp. When you upload these videos on YouTube, it just takes so long. So it's gonna be, this is the second video, 2 of 2. As you can see, everything is still on there. Ooh. Put your air filter hose to the side, somewhere safe. I like to keep it upside down somewhere where it does not move. Okay. Oh yes. Let me put the phone down real quick. Okay. I got part of the little air release system on the carburetor and engine. Just loosen that off, put that to the side. You don't need to completely take this off. And then I'm going to get right down to that bolt, your carburetor 2 bolts right here, and that bolt. Actually, I'm going to put the phone down. I don't know if you guys can see me doing this one here. Boy! There we go. So he's trying to get these things loose, and I'll get them with my fingers. Wait. It is a tight spot. Sweet. Now these 2 bolts are loose enough. I can just get these nuts off here. Put those in a safe spot. Come on, where are you? There we go, coming off now. Where'd you go? What fell? This can easily pop off very carefully. Set this to the side. Now I'm gonna next take the fuel line off. Screwdriver or a little baby socket or wrench, whatever you got, will do. Or monkey wrench even. Go. Stick the fuel line upwards so no fuel drips out all over the place. Clean up. You see, all I did was take that fuel line off the carburetor side here, right? Where would it be? There. Off now. I'm going to then, your carburetor should now just come off. And it kind of helps to kind of do it at the same time, get your cables off at the same time, and the carburetor. So basically all three at once down the line. Actually, you know what? Look, this is already coming off. There we go. Out we go. Let me put this somewhere. I can't see nothing when I do it. Let me try and do this with one hand. See, this actually pops off out of this plastic clamp. See? Out. And now you can twist your throttle cable, like from, see how it has that entry point right here? This cable, turn it like counterclockwise and it'll come out. If I can do it with one hand, you can do it. But two. Actually, I'm gonna put the one hand. Wait, there you go. Cool. Okay. There we go, folks. There's the original one. And I've already cleaned this thing as best as I could with the tools I had. And like the jets and everything with carb cleaner, and it would not go. And just to be sure, I mean, you know, I have good fuel. I've replaced all these fuel lines, fuel filter, little clamps and everything all the way down. I even put an electronic Holley electric fuel pump, and it ran really good for a while. Replaced this line all the way, you know, and it ran good for about a week, and then all of a sudden just nothing, no more. So I figure it's clogged. It's got to be the carburetor. So let's install the new one. Actually, I think this video is going to be video maybe 1 of 2, 2 of 2, and 3 of 3. I don't know. We'll see. Thank you.